Zinc Oxide Ointment is an over-the-counter medication that is commonly used to treat and prevent diaper rash and other minor skin irritations such as burns, cuts, and scrapes. It works by creating a protective barrier on the skin to shield it from irritants and moisture. It is safe to use daily and can be applied as needed. The best time to use zinc oxide ointment is whenever you notice skin irritation or redness. When using zinc oxide ointment, make sure to apply it only on the skin. Follow the instructions on the product packaging or as directed by your doctor. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Be careful to avoid getting the medication in your eyes. If it does happen, rinse your eyes with plenty of water. If you are using the spray, be sure to shake the container well before each use. Zinc oxide ointment should start working within 12 hours. If your condition does not improve, gets worse, lasts for more than 7 days, or comes back after a few days, be sure to inform your doctor. If your doctor has prescribed zinc oxide ointment for you, it means that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience any serious side effects. However, if you do notice any skin irritation or signs of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As always, if you have any concerns about the side effects of zinc oxide ointment, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can provide you with the necessary guidance and support. If you have any allergies, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using zinc oxide ointment. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. If you have a skin infection in the affected area, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your doctor before using this medication. When using zinc oxide ointment, it is important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It is important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication regimen. If swallowed, this medication can be harmful. If an overdose occurs and serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing are present, it is important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contacting a poison control center right away is crucial. For U.S. residents, the local poison control center can be reached at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. To prevent diaper rash, it's important to check your baby's diaper often and change it whenever it looks wet or dirty. Zinc oxide ointment is used to treat and prevent diaper rash and other minor skin irritations. It provides a barrier on the skin to protect it from moisture and irritants. It is also used to help with minor skin injuries, scrapes, and cuts. This ointment can be applied to the affected area as needed, usually after a diaper change or after cleaning the affected area. It is important to follow the directions on the product label or as directed by your doctor. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush medications down the toilet unless instructed to do so. Properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.